Welcome to Shinjuku ShareHouse Common Space. This is our common space living room which you can freely use. Next to the living room is our kitchen. You can freely use the coffee, tea, salt, pepper and cooking oils in our kitchen. You may also use the kitchen stove to prepare food. Press this button to power on and again to turn off the kitchen stove. You may also freely use the tableware to drink and eat food at our place and use the kitchen utensils. The bathrooms are in Western style and you can flush by pressing this button. In our bathroom we provide free shampoo and body soap for you. To activate hot water for the shower, please press this button. Then you can adjust the temperature of the water by rotating the left shower handle and the pressure on the right. Please don't forget to switch on and off the lights of the bathroom. You can also wash your clothes at our place for free. Please follow the instructions. Connect the electricity plug, open the water valve, put in the laundry in the washing machine. Then please press the power on button. Then you have to push this button twice so that the light indicator is displayed here. Then you can pour in the free washing powder that we provide for you in the washing machine. After that, close the lid and then press start. The program will wash and spin the laundry, which you can then take to the laundry hangers which are placed in the stairs for the rooftop. Thank you for watching.